Yo, what's up guys? Today on this video I'm gonna show you how to edit like what you saw. So first what we're gonna do is edit car company logo, and for that we must use fade effect. This is a very simple tutorial, so be sure to watch the video all the way through so you don't miss anything. For now, click on the video you want to add fade effect on it. Go to animations effect. On out option, look for the fade out effect. Yeah, just like that. Simply you can add it on your other video if you want. And yeah, don't forget to adjust the fade effect on whole scene. Okay, now it's time to add the logo of our car. For this logo you can join my Telegram channel. Simply just add your logo on your favorite scene. As you can see, we have a disturbing black background. To get rid of it, you need to go on blend option and add lighting effects for best and quality results. Well, this is my favorite part, which is the section and transition and animations. So for early cuts, listen, for early cuts, I'm gonna use cross effect because it's so matched to our music and video. Well, so far we only use this effect for the rest until we reach the pop-up effects. Now for the pop-up effect, we need to take a screenshot of the next shot and remove the background so that we can nicely connect the image or video together like a chain, you know. For now I have one of them because I don't want this video to get too long. I just show you how to do this. For do this, we need to place the image between two cuts so that our pop-up is easier and we can easily adjust the setting on it. Okay, we'll place two frame keys here so we can manually fix it with the next cuts. Well, you know that the keyframes are set up for this purpose, so that whatever we do between these two keyframes will save. For a smooth keyframe, simply click between two of them and you can see graph setting will turn on so that we can adjust the movement from that setting. Here you can see I have applied a shake effect to hide that habits detail. For this effect, you can easily go to the animation section and add the cross effect there. Okay, for the next transition, we'll go back to the animation section, and in the combo section, we add the wave animation. Simply add this effect on the rest of the cuts. guys, you can see this cut has glow effect, and for that you can add the glow flicker on the body effect section on this video. Well, for this step, we should only use one transition that matches the music, and the best one is a slide effect session. It's called page turning. And yeah, don't forget to add some cross flash for boom effects. Well, we reached the end of the tutorial. Here are only 3 animations we need that I will show you now. First one is pendulum 1, and for second one is pendulum 2.
Isn't it too late?